Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to back up and restore Registry in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu over here and just search for Registry Editor and just simply open the application. Now guys, from here, in order for you to back it up, you will have two options. You can either back up a specific folder by just simply right clicking on it, and you should be able to see here export. And after that, as you can see, you should be able to back up this single file and just simply select a location where you are going to back it up. So let's say I'm going to back it up on the desktop, and I'm going to have a file name test and click on save. And guys, it may take some time to back it up. Now guys, another option that you have, if you want to export the whole registry, you just simply go to the file over here, and you should be able to see here export. And after that, just simply select a location. So let's say I'm gonna go for this new folder over here. I'm gonna go for whole registry. And guys, make sure to select this one all. Make sure it is not on the selected branch, because when you do the selected branch, it means that it will be just one folder or a specific folder. But if you want to back up the whole registry, you can just simply click on it all. And from here, of course, have the file name and make sure it is on reg and click on save. And guys, it may take some time to back it up. And now guys, in order for you to restore it, you can just simply go ahead and go to the file location. And from here, in order for you to restore it, you can just simply double click on it and just simply open it up. And after that, just simply click on yes over here, and you should be able to restore it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.